Hi everybody, welcome to Indian Road. Today I'm going to show you something which is very interesting. This is a floor map, and over there if you see it's a 3D model. I can move it around, and as soon as I move it, it can give you different angles. I can look up, I can look down. So this is very interesting for any developer in real estate where he wants to show the floor plan. He can go take the floor plan and show it to the client. When you move around, it will also give you a different perspective of the 3D objects. So if I go somewhere, I can zoom in, zoom out, go around. I can change the angle. The interaction is amazing. Let us know what do you think. Have a good day.